Make the ground shake.
What is up, guys and girls? Halloween coming at you live from Lincolnshire, you lucky bastards. Today we're looking at how to replace the exhaust on my 2005 GSXR 750. The new exhaust is a Scorpion stainless steel carbine half system, so it should be nice and easy to fit. Now, whilst I think that the 2005 Gixxer is a beautiful looking bike, there is one aspect that lets it down, and that is the torpedo bolted onto the side of it. I mean, to be perfectly honest, it isn't as big as the current standards of exhausts, but when I first got this bike, I wasn't perfectly sure whether I had to register that pipe as a sidecar or not. Removing the old exhaust should have been a doddle, but due to some nicely rusted bolts, I had to spray with some lubricant and let that soak in. It really was a simple thing to change after this though. 5 bolts and you're done. Getting to the inside rear bolt was a little bit tricky because of lack of space, but nothing insanely difficult. Up until this point, I got away with using a single adjustable spanner, but because of the design of the bolt that holds the exhaust bracket to the rear foot pegs, I grabbed hold of another spanner and it became a non-issue. Now, if you were wondering what it sounds like with no silencer on at all, here you go. I suggest you turn your headphones down. Now, I know some of you may be disappointed that I didn't rev the tits off it with no exhaust silencer, but as you can see, I'm in a residential street. While I'd love to have heard hell escaping, I have to live next to these people, and I'm not sure they would appreciate the sound as much as you or I. So fitting the new exhaust was as simple as it was taking off the old one. 5 bolts and it's complete. This time, however, they are hex bolts, so some Allen keys are required. Having only one of those multi-key tools to hand made it a little bit more difficult, but if you've got a set of separated Allen keys, the job will be even easier. Now, because I decided to make a video in the middle of a British summertime, it started to rain, so the bike went away and we had to pick it up again a bit later. Let me know in the comments below if you'd have the baffle in or out, and which bikes you think sound the best overall. Hit that subscribe button to see the new exhaust out on the road when it eventually stops raining. Thanks, and have a good one.